we are looking at how to pronounce those words as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English to improve your understanding and your pronunciation of it. And some of the most mispronounced words too in English, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So how do you pronounce those two words? Well, they are homophones, meaning that they are to be pronounced exactly the same way. And this is as made, and that's the one at the top, made, and the one at the bottom, made, made. Pretty straightforward once you know, made, and now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.